What's the meaning of consumer? Consumer. Consumer.
Consumer. Consumer. The term consumer refers to an individual or organization that purchases goods or services for personal or business use. It is a key concept in economics and marketing, as it is the ultimate goal of businesses to attract consumers and generate revenue. Consumers are motivated by various factors such as price, quality, brand loyalty, and personal preference. Understanding consumer behavior is essential for businesses to develop effective marketing strategies and meet customer needs, ultimately leading to profitability and growth.